Nature evaluates man's transformation is traditionally the last stage of geomantic description. However, in view of the fact that nature is ongoing and that what has thus far been presented itself as history hasn't actually been the hominization of the planet, we still have a final term to deal with: the future, post-history. Essentially, the future lies in the radiation of man. This refers first of all to the process by which each individual assumes responsibility for all of his or her actions, and with a heightened awareness participates in increasingly integrated group efforts to establish a consciously oriented relationship between biopsychic energy factors and those of the environment. In the most general way, this describes the new symbiotic technology, radiosonics, the basics of post-historic synthesia. While such ideas may seem to lie far in the future, the present process of actual evaluation having hardly begun, it is nevertheless important to lay out the guidelines at this very moment. Anything that has ever been achieved has begun with a thought, an idea, a purposive impulse. But even before there could be an idea pointing out a new direction for man, there had to be a receptivity and an attunement in the direction the idea has pointed. Only in this way, the proper attitude established, could the right resonant factors be in place to participate both the new idea as well as the willingness to go along and work with the new idea, making it an actual reality. Consider electricity. Through the manifestation of lightning, awareness of electrical energy has been present since the dawn of culture. However, electricity became channeled only after the efforts like men like Benjamin Franklin opened the way to the possibility that it could be of everyday use. The same is true for radiosonics. Psi factor, coincidences, and synchronicities have always been present. But to channel the information pattern underlining these psi factors for everyday use has rarely been considered. It is in the interest of helping foster the mental receptivity to consider the possibility of radiosonics, the synthesia of man and nature, that the concluding maps of the holonomic equation are presented.